Hello. Struggling with iframe in Playwright? You are not alone. So frame can be challenging to automate, but not anymore. So in this video, I'll show you the foolproof way to handle the frames in Playwright using TypeScript. So you can write a bulletproof test with confidence. So let's try. So if I have this frame, so what is frame? Okay. So if you see here, this input box, if it are trying to type something inside this directly using Playwright, it will not work because this is inside a frame. So if you inspect this element, so if the element is available inside a iframe tag, so if you see here there is iframe tag, right? So then we cannot directly interact with these kind of elements. So this input tag, I want to type something, and if you go above, so this is one iframe HTML tag and there is one more iframe HTML tag. So there are two iframes are there, right? So in this video, I'll show you how we can handle this and how to go inside this frame, again another frame, and enter the some text. Okay, so our task is to type something inside this test. So let me show you the application. This application has login page, so I'll not waste time to automate it again. Okay, I have already automated this. Enter username, enter password. Third step is click on sign in. Fourth step is click on testing ground, and then we get some pop-up. Okay, and we have to close this, scroll down, and here is the input box. Here I want to type. Okay, so let me open the VS Code quickly and jump into the code. So I have created this frame demo spec.ts file, and I'm importing the test to create a test block. Okay, so this test is coming from Playwright test, and this is my Playwright test name, and this is async block. We are using page picture. Because of picture, we are able to directly navigate to the website. And just now I perform this step manually, right? Enter the username, enter password, enter, then click on sign in button. Then we clicked on testing ground tab. We got one pop-up. We clicked on that pop-up also, and this is to navigate to the bottom. And I'm adding some weight. Okay, in between I will implement the code. Now here, actual code to iframe handle. Okay, so how to handle this situation? So here is there is no one frame, right? There are two different frames are there. So let's see. First we will try to type something directly. Okay, and see if we are able to type something here. Right click, inspect this element. So this is a element input which has ID attribute, right? And placeholder also. Let's go with ID attribute. So we'll try to take this ID attribute. Go to VS Code. Okay, and here if you want to type something, generally you will write away.page.locator, and we have ID locator. So always remember, if you have ID, you can denote with hash and the value of ID attribute, and that's it. And just write here fill method to type into the text box and give some message here. Welcome to Playwright. That's it. And let me run this one and see what error we are getting. npx playwright test, and this will run all the test, right? So whatever the test you have configured inside this test folder, it will run all, but I want to run only this file, right? So you can give the file name also, frames demo.spec.ts, and if you want to see the execution, the browser invoked and all, you can add this flag -- headed, because Playwright run the test by default in headless mode. Okay, and the screenshot also I'll just delete it. Okay, because we will try to capture the screenshot also later as a proof it is typing something inside this one. Before that, let me hit run, enter, and let's see if he is able to type it. Okay, it launched the login page. Let's see, it will enter the username, password, and then click on sign in. Okay, signed in, it clicked on testing ground, it navigated to bottom, and here is the issue. Okay, and that we are trying to solve in this video. It is not able to type something, right? The locator is correct, everything is correct. Okay, but it is not able to type. It will wait for default timeout, and that's it, like it timed out. Okay, so how to handle this? Let's now, before this frame we are typing, we have to switch to this frame. Okay, so for that I'll create one constant. So there are two frames, iframe elements, right? So I'll write const parent frame equal to await page dot frame locator. Okay, so that is what we are using now, frame locator, and the frame locator we will find. So let me go to the frame. Let me open this one, go to the input box, it is here. So this is one frame and this is another. So first I need to find this frame, right? So this frame has ID, right? So I can take this ID, go to VS Code and add it here. Okay, so again, as this is ID, I can use hash and this ID, that's it. So okay, so now what is the next step? Okay, this is one, I can move this to next line also for better readability. Now again, I'm not closing it. Okay, I'm still on the same line. Once I find this frame, again there is another frame, right? So again use frame locator. Now we will handle the another frame. Okay, and for another frame, let's see if I go down. Okay, there is no ID, there is no class, there is no name, only one attribute is available and that is src, right? So what we can do, we can take the css locator like iframe which contain src equal to this location, nested iframe. Okay, and that's how we will be able to find this frame also. So let me copy it, go to the VS Code and paste it. Okay, so let me remove this double quotes from here also, and that's it. We are inside the frame now. This is first frame and second frame. Okay, so inside of both the frames. Now you need to wait for this element. Okay, this element we are trying to type, right? So before I enter, I'll just put some wait here, await page dot locator pop-up text. So this is actually input box dot, and here you can type wait for. Okay, wait for it, and then once it is visible, then you can type something inside the box. And let me try it. Or even if you want to take a screenshot, so you can take a screenshot also, so that you will see the output. Okay, it is actually typing await page dot screenshot. I'm taking full page screenshot, and here we need to provide a path. You can give like name screen1 dot jpg, and if you want a full page screenshot, you can use another property, full page equal to true, colon true, and that's it. We are done, and we have not changed this line, right? We are using same locator to type something. But now if I go to terminal, clear it and run the same command again, now this time it should be able to type inside the text box. So that's how like we handle the frames in the Playwright. So let's see the final output. Okay, it clicked on pop-up, navigated to bottom. Okay, it's still waiting. Let's see if there is any error. We'll try to fix it. Okay, it is waiting means it will fail. So we have we did some mistake, and we'll figure out also. Okay, so let me go through the code again. Okay, we are taking the frame, but if you see, we are not using this parent frame anywhere, right? So that's what the mistake is, and this we will use instead of this one. Parent page, inside a parent page, we are waiting for this input box. Okay, so and you need to add this parent frame here as well. Okay, so when you type, because we are typing inside a frame, right? So you will not use page here, you will use the parent frame. Okay, and let me run it, and now this time it should work fine. Okay, so let me clear it, run it again, and if you see it logged in, click on testing ground, close the pop-up, and it passed. And if you see the screenshot also, you will see it typed the text there. Okay, you see in the background, welcome to Playwright is typed inside the box. Okay, I hope this video is useful. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.